Let's find out what happens to a keyboard when it got liquid spilled onto it. This is my good partner's keyboard. She decided to have a battle with a cup of tea and it lost and the keyboard got the brunt of it. So we have to figure out what the damage is. I have not done this. Haven't seen the damage, what's happened underneath the keys, so come for the ride and we'll find out together, I suppose. I wish I had my overhead camera. And it's good morning in the UK for me. I have done plenty of cleaning keyboards before. I'll find the two references and I'll put that in the description so you can find out. But I've not ever done. I got a cloth. Yes, I do. I've not actually. How much it costs? That's okay. We're gonna let it sit for a while anyway. But I've not actually done ones where there was water damage. So this is going to be an interesting video. So first thing first, of course, we take a photo of the layout because we have, I don't know, a key layout thing. So I don't know what got the damage. So let's stop unplugging them. So I have so in my table here I have a silver bucket full of fairy liquid and water. I have a keycap remover, and I bought this on AliExpress a couple years ago. Okay, a couple years ago now. So this has got like all the squeaky tools that I need to figure out what's going on with it. So this doesn't bore you to death, and I don't get bored, and the video is not 200 hours long. We'll come back and all this will be done. So time lapse or cut, we'll find out in a second. First glance, no super obvious reason, no obvious reasons of water damage on the keys. So this is just like a simple Corsair. I don't know make a Corsair is this because it's a bundle deal. The Corsair K500, and it's just like a membrane on it with like RGB on it, and basically it controls just like sections of it. So no super obvious reasons of like damage on it, so that's a good thing. So let's get my Blowitone 5000 wherever it's hiding. So headphone people, beware. Okay, I just seen some of there's some stew on it, so if I can just get a simple wet clothie. So I was expecting like the tea, like you know, like something dries off and like has a layer of crust on it. Do you know what I mean? Probably many people would say that. That's what I was expecting to see. But turns out it wasn't that. So there was no obvious. I'm just checking the light because normally you would see something kind of light up different angles, but there's nothing obvious, which is good. There's a bit of clicking here on the numpad, but nothing super obvious, which is good. Oh, no. I'm going to do that. That's okay. I'm already got the brunt of that. There is stuff caked on it, like. Listen. This is super obvious. Well, I'm just going to go around and clean this off, so this is going to be a nice. Use my pick. If this doesn't work, I have to go to the next level. I have to complete this event with that, and I don't know how to do that. Not yet. That'll be my next task. The end of office, which is annoying. Okay, I'm going to say that's good enough. The keys are now being soaking since we've been doing this, so that's good. So I think the best thing to do is me just putting stuff back together, and you'll get a wee note at the end that says it all works because I actually have to build myself a wee test subject down here. So again, I need to get a video. I need to get myself a small. Then I've got a computer there. What I'm going to do is eventually I'm going to build myself a wee mini ATX machine in there. Probably an XT, probably. Yeah. So teaser, you know the case I was doing the screwdriver test. I'm going to rebuild in that case. I'm making my wee. I want to build in that case. That's my next. But I need to save for what the power for. I'll show you the game with it. So let's get this keyboard done in a quick. Okay, that's me back. What I'll do is I'll do a bonus video where you see that doing it in a big long time lapse. So I'll re-edit that video as well. So 2 videos in one. So that'll be a nice bonus video for you as well to probably watch a week apart or a couple of days. So yeah, that was it. I don't know if this works, but it seems to be non-sticky. So that's good. I need to get my wife to test drive her new keyboard, clean keyboard, and tell me if it's good or bad, and then you're gonna saying it all works. It probably will all work. So thanks for watching this deep diving of a keyboard that didn't need much cleanness up, but I give it a good maintenance. Because I do believe once a year, you're not going to see me do it once a year, because that's going to get tedious for you. That'd be funny for me to do it. Cleaning the keyboard, because as I said in the past, we interact with this. This is the only way we interact without the mouse. Sorry. Interact with the computer, and we eat over it, we drink over it, and so we do. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.